Before buying ShipHero for your dropshipping business, here are 12 key things you need to know to make an informed decision. This is an essential comparison for those considering ShipHero versus other popular platforms, so stick around for all the details. First thing to know, ShipHero is known for its user-friendly interface, which is a huge plus if you're just starting in dropshipping. But it's not the only one offering ease of use. Platforms like Oberlo or Spocket also shine in this area, so be sure to consider if ShipHero's interface stands out for your specific needs. Next thing, ShipHero integrates directly with major e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce. This makes it a solid choice for store owners on those platforms. However, competitors like Xeris also offer these integrations, so it comes down to which platform provides the features you need, especially for syncing products and orders. The third thing you should know is ShipHero's pricing structure. It uses a subscription-based model that can scale depending on your business size. While the pricing is straightforward, it's not necessarily the cheapest solution when compared to alternatives like Oberlo, which is free for smaller shops. So, weigh the cost against the value ShipHero provides. The fourth thing to consider, ShipHero offers advanced inventory management, which is excellent if you're managing a lot of products. However, if you're just getting started with dropshipping and don't need that level of complexity, platforms like Spocket or Modelist might offer a simpler approach without the steep learning curve. Fifth thing, ShipHero is very strong in terms of fulfillment. With its warehouse management system, it's designed to handle high-volume orders efficiently. But be aware that for businesses just starting out, this level of service can be overkill if you're not handling significant order volumes yet. The sixth thing to mention is ShipHero's focus on providing branded packaging options, which can elevate the customer experience. If you want to provide a premium touch to your brand, this feature might be very appealing, especially compared to other platforms that focus more on basic packaging. Next, ShipHero supports multiple warehouses, allowing for quicker shipping times, particularly if you have products stored in various locations. This can be a huge advantage over competitors like Oberlo, which primarily connects you to suppliers from Alibaba. The eighth thing, ShipHero's customer support is highly rated, and they offer 24/7 assistance through various channels. However, some competitors offer more robust resources like active community forums or extensive help centers, so it's always good to check what support options work best for your needs. The ninth thing to know, ShipHero provides advanced analytics and reporting features, which is essential for tracking performance and making informed business decisions. If you're looking for deep insights, ShipHero excels in this area compared to simpler platforms like AliExpress, which lacks detailed reporting tools. The 10th thing to keep in mind, ShipHero supports multiple shipping carriers, including UPS, FedEx, and USPS. This gives you flexibility in terms of pricing and delivery speeds. On the other hand, alternatives like Spocket have more localized supplier options, which may be more cost-effective depending on your target market. The 11th thing, ShipHero is well suited for scaling your business. If your dropshipping store is growing rapidly, ShipHero's ability to handle larger volumes of orders and manage inventory across multiple locations will be a major benefit. For smaller shops, though, simpler platforms like Xeris might be more than enough. Finally, ShipHero provides access to a network of suppliers, but it's worth noting that some dropshipping platforms like Spocket and Modelist offer curated lists of high-quality suppliers with faster shipping times. So, if you're after a highly curated supplier experience, ShipHero might not be the best match for you. To wrap it up, ShipHero is a solid option for those looking for a powerful dropshipping solution with advanced features, especially if you're scaling quickly. However, if you're looking for something more streamlined and affordable, check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free. It might be the better fit for your business needs.